2 plus 2 gives us 4. So 2 times 4 and times 2, which equals 2 times 4 gives us 8, and 8 times 2 equals 16. So 16 divided by 16, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have 1 division, 2 multiplications, and this parentheses. Okay, according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parentheses, and after this parentheses we have 2 divisions and we have 2 multiplications and 1 division. Okay, so after this parentheses, first we have to do this division, because multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So first this parentheses, then this division, then this division, and finally this first this parentheses, then this division, then this multiplication, and finally this multiplication. Okay, inside this parentheses we have 2 plus 2, which equals 4. So 16 divided by 2 times 4 and times 2. Now we have to do this division. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. So 8 times 4 times 2. 8 times 4 gives us 32, and 32 times 2 equals 64. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 64.